What's going on here?
Such an idiot.
What is this?
It's a shocking pen.
Okay, so your dad's gonna put it on his forehead?
He's just gonna do
Okay.
it.
Do you want to do it to me?
So Dan?
No.
No, you do it.
Because I'll
Okay,
get
go
shocked
ahead.
myself.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes? Now, how did that feel?
It hurt.
Is it stimulating?
I'll do it again.
To your foot.
It feels like it burned my forehead.
Am I bleeding? Do it on your foot. Do it on
Can
your
you do it
foot.
on? Okay, now. I like the forehead better. Do the forehead one more
I
time.
don't know. I'm not a dog. I'm not a
Do it
I'm
again.
not a pup.
Do it again.
All right. It hurts.